Hi everyone, this is your girl, Chef Afusa. In today's episode, we are going to teach ourselves how to cook perfect egusi soup. So, as you can see, we have our ingredients here. We have our pepper, onions, pomo, fish, we have our crayfish, we have our chicken, we have our ugu, and we also have our bitter leaf unwashed one. So right now, let's start properly. First and foremost, we will have to boil our chicken before we now fry it. You know, in my kitchen, I love neatness, so let's go and wash our pots. We'll now take our chicken, then wash it. Wash it very clean. So right now, we'll now transfer our chicken inside the pot. So this is our time. For your time. Then you will now take your curry. Then you pour your curry. Also, now take our salt. Then we'll now take our seasoning. Maggi. We'll now take our turning stick. We'll now turn it together. We'll mix it together. Then we'll cover it up. So right now, we'll take our kettle and fill it with water. Then we'll on our water. So as you can see, our water is boiling already. So let's go and grind our pepper. So wash your pepper very neat. And wash your onions. We have ginger here also. We have everything here. So let's go and grind it. Pour our onions, ginger, garlic, everything. Pour it inside. So we'll now take our pepper also. Then we'll pour it inside. Then we add water to it. So blend it up. We'll cover it. I think you are okay with this pepper now. Since we are using it to cook egusi, it's okay like this. Oh, our water. I think it's okay now. So right now, we are going to pour our water inside the ugu and bitter leaf. So this is our ugu now. Pour the water inside. And also the bitter leaf. The more reason we are pouring hot water is to make the vegetable soft. Oh, our chicken. I think our chicken is okay now. So we can now rinse the pomo. Then we'll put it inside the chicken. Hope you guys did not forget we are cooking a perfect egusi soup. Though, you know, we have different ways of making egusi, but this is my home method and I think it's going to come out very nice. So don't forget, we're still going to fry our chicken. This is our fish also. Make sure you wash your fish very neat, you know, remove all the jaga that is inside. I think we're okay now. So you now put your fish inside, so everything will just boil together. Then you mix it up. So while we're waiting for everything to be done, so right now we will be washing our vegetable small. So we'll just remove the hot water and wash it very well. Wash it, use your hand to wash it very neat. First time. So this is our bitter leaf. Like me, I love to use salt to wash it, you know, so it will remove all the bitter inside. At least it's still going to be bitter, but not that harsh. So just put your salt inside. You use it to wash it. So wash it, you mix it together. Whatever they are exposing in the market, you need to wash it very neat. You wash it very okay, especially bitter leaf, you know. So as you're washing it, don't forget we have something on the fire. So we'll check. Wow, it's coming out really nice. So don't forget we also have our locust here. So let's wash it. Me, I love Iru because it makes it more Africa. You know, I so much love Iru. You can decide not to wash your Iru, but I love washing it. So let's go and fry our chicken. So as you can see, our chicken is already on the fire. So right now we're going to slice our pomo. Slice it very neat. So right now we're done slicing our pomo. So right now let's go and cook our perfect egusi soup. So what we have right now is our empty pot. So this is our egusi. So I'll pour it on the fire like that. We'll now put small salt inside the egusi. It's very small. So we'll now pour our crayfish. And don't forget your pomo. It's very important. You can now stir it together. So we'll now pour our iru inside it. So right now we're going to put our bitter leaf so it can also mix together. So right now we're going to pour our pepper inside. Okay. So before we cover it up, we're now going to put our proper salt. You know, we had small so the egusi before, so we now add salt and the remaining seasoning. So as you can see, it's now time for us to check our egusi soup. Wow. So don't forget our chicken. Then we'll pour our chicken inside. So we can now cover it for like just 1 minute. Then we'll open it up. So don't forget to pour your fish. Wow. Lastly, before we now put our ugu, me, I love to remove the fish inside so everything will not break before we put the ugu properly. So I'm going to remove the fish. So I will leave the pomo and the chicken inside. We should not forget that we remove our fish before we now pour our ugu. So So right now, we will now transfer the fish back inside the pot. Wow. So we'll now cover it for the last minute, like 1 minute is okay. Ta-da! Oh my god. Hey, how I wish you guys can see. Come on, can you please move forward? Let's see this thing. You are just dulling me. Come, move forward and see what we have done so far. What we have cooked so far. This is so nice. So, right now, let's serve ourselves to have a taste. I so much love head of fish. So, I'm taking it for myself. This is so nice. So nice. So let me now take big mama. I think I small see. Let me they speak that Queen's English. You say? That means I'm still going to teach you guys how to cook perfect egusi soup with Chef Afusa. Till then, bye bye.
God have mercy
so
upon us.
No. If say, hi everyone. English is too much for me.